Hey Gunslingers, Gun14 Slinger here. Today's going to be some form of a test video because I've just been thinking of this idea for a while. I'm going to put it into action. So this right here is the spring-loaded M4 my brother got me for Christmas, well, pretty much gave me for Christmas about 2 years ago. Originally it was his, but he didn't want it anymore, so he gave it to me. I added a few this and that. So this is the test video. This is my old UVR helmet cam with a little maintenance and some zip ties. I don't know if you guys could see. I managed to put a gun cam on it, and I'm going to put a test to it. So let's see if it works. Alright, so there's my GoPro Leica camera. Well, my action camera is 720p. And I set up a little target right here, away from any screens or glasses. I don't know if you guys can see it. The image may not be the best quality, but I'm going to do a test shot, see if it works. Turn on my sights. Safety. Alright, that should be it. Test shot number 2. I'm only doing 2. Oh, I missed. Didn't look through the sights. I think I hit it. Alright guys, so that's it. If you guys liked my gun cam test video, let me know in the comments what you think, and tell me if I should do this in Airsoft games. If you like the video, please click that like button, leave a comment what you think of it, and subscribe to join the Gunslingers. To catch future videos and live streams, please click that notification bell. See you, Gunslingers.